What's up, everybody? My name is Don Martell. I'm the CEO and founder of MicroSky Managed Services. We're an IT services provider based out of Staten Island, New York, and we cover a wide range of IT services for modern day businesses. So basically, we start off with our monthly IT support plans for businesses, where we basically have a bundled plan that includes a bunch of different things like 24/7 IT support, remote support, phone support, antivirus management, cloud backup, cybersecurity, email hosting, web hosting, all the different technology that businesses today use. MicroSky can help you maintain those, host those for you, support those on a monthly basis, and be there for you as your companies grow over time and add more employees. The latest services that we've been offering are new websites for customers, because a lot of websites are outdated these days, and Google really doesn't like websites that are stale and that aren't actively being managed and updated. As far as the IT side of things, if you need a reliable company to do service calls for you, where we can send a technician to come and repair any computer or network issue you may be experiencing, we have a full team of technicians that we can dispatch. On the website and e-commerce side of things, we've been doing a lot of work these days for restaurants and online ordering businesses that are trying to grow their digital presence and have a virtual business that brings in revenue, and also try to save them on credit card merchant fees. MicroSky is fully partnered up with electronic payments, which is one of the biggest credit card processors in the United States. So all of our e-commerce customers and merchants that need payment processing, we teamed up with EPI to get all that going for our clients. And basically any client that signs on with us, we do a full analysis of their entire network to see what's going on and how MicroSky can improve operations, make the business more profitable and scalable over time by using technology. So give us a call if you need help, 718-672-2177, or click the link below to visit our website, microskyms.com.